Hey everyone, welcome back to No Lifestyle today. We've got some fantastic kitchen organizer hacks that will help you declutter and maximize your kitchen space. Whether you have a tiny kitchen or just want to keep things neat and efficient, these hacks will make your life so much easier. So, let's jump right in. 1. Drawer dividers. First up, let's tackle those messy drawers. Use drawer dividers to separate utensils, kitchen gadgets, and cutlery. This keeps everything in its place, making it easier to find what you need. 2. Magnetic knife strip. No more digging through a cluttered knife drawer. Install a magnetic knife strip on your wall. It not only frees up drawer space, but also gives your kitchen a modern look. 3. Tension rods for pot lids. Are pot lids taking up too much cabinet space? Try using tension rods. Simply install them vertically in a cabinet, and you can easily store lids without the hassle. 4. Undershelf baskets. Make use of that wasted vertical space in your cabinets. Attach undershelf baskets to store items like cups, plates, or snacks. It's a game changer. 5. Pegboard wall. Want a flexible and customizable solution? Install a pegboard on your kitchen wall. Hang pots, pans, utensils, and even herbs for easy access. 6. Lazy Susans. Lazy Susans are your best friend when it comes to corner cabinets. They make reaching items in the back a breeze. Use them for spices, oils, or canned goods. 7. Clear containers. For dry goods like pasta, rice, and cereal, transfer them into clear, airtight containers. You'll see what you have at a glance, and it keeps everything fresh. 8. Magazine holders for foil and plastic wrap. Here's a creative hack. Use magazine holders mounted on the inside of cabinet doors to store aluminum foil, plastic wrap, and parchment paper. 9. Hanging baskets for fruit. Don't clutter your counter with fruit bowls. Hang wire baskets from the ceiling to store your fresh produce, creating a unique and space-saving display. 10. Label everything. Last but not least, label your containers and shelves. This not only helps you find things quickly but also keeps your kitchen looking tidy. And there you have it, folks. 10 kitchen organizer hacks to transform your cooking space into a well-organized haven. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to your channel name for more home organization and DIY ideas. Thanks for watching.